Every great video starts as a simple line on a page. But how do words become moving images? Today, you'll discover how to transform your script into a video that captivates, educates, and stays with your audience long after the credits roll. Start with clarity. Read your script out loud. Identify the scenes, the settings, the characters. Imagine how each line looks and feels on screen. Break it down into scenes and shots. This is your blueprint. A storyboard is your roadmap. Sketch each shot. It doesn't have to be perfect art, stick figures work. What matters is visualizing the flow, the angles, the emotions. This step saves time and money on set. Plan your locations, actors, props, and gear. Make a shot list. Schedule each scene. Good planning turns chaos into a smooth shoot. Remember, every detail matters: lighting, sound, even the weather. Lights. Camera. Action. Be patient. Follow the plan, but stay open to magic, a line improvised, a perfect natural light. Get multiple takes. Shoot B-roll, those extra shots that make your video rich and real. Editing is where it all comes together. Cut your scenes. Add music, sound effects, and graphics. Polish the pacing. Make your message clear and your visuals unforgettable. Watch it. Then watch it again. Words alone don't change the world. The videos you create do. So pick up your script, grab your camera, and start filming today. Like, share, and subscribe for more ways to bring your stories to life.